Hello guys, this is Carlo, and I'm filming this thing. This is my Lego version of Mechanized Monster, or Mechanized Beast, if you want to call that a beast. And its name is SD Legend BB Kakai-Ka Reta-Maru, which is a SD version of mine. You can see there's some pieces you can recognize. These pieces are just like the ones on Mechanized Beast and the combination thing. And yeah, it combines. Yeah, I used some of those pieces to create this one. Well, some of them. Or just recreate this thing, or whatever. And its articulation is ball joint head, limited ball jointed arm, shoulders, ball joint in and out, ball joint here, but kind of limited, hinges in every finger, ball joint leg, ball joint, and swivel. Okay, now this is not, you can see it's kind of articulated. It's kind of articulated and looks neat. You can see it's only has colors, has white, blue, gray, and black. And some gold highlights here. Some orange spots here. Some yellow. And now, I'm going to show off the thing. This is a mobile armor suit. If you're not a Gundam fan, then I don't know. But this is all his armor. All this armor, this thing goes on to him right here. I don't know what this is. I just made it, and it looks weird. I'm gonna take it off. Flip down this. Pull this off. Pull these pieces off. And remove and pull this off. Now put everything on him. First off the faceplate, the chest plate, and it looks easy, right? Yeah, it is. Put on the shoulder pads. Put on the front skirt. And finally, the helmet. Oop, wrong way. Put on the helmet, then flip this up. Now you can see, he is looking as freaking cool. Articulation is the same, ball joint head. Bring forward back, up and down, all the way around, bleh. But it's a bit limited here now, and limited here in the legs because you can have to go up sides. Okay, this is his first mode. This is like, it looks epic. This is his first mode. The second mode is the big version. It uses this component. Recognize this? Yes. It is the same pieces from support and Mechanized Beast. This is why I use these pieces so I can do like combination. I like Gundam, like transforming ones, not like anything else. First off, yeah, I just like that. Just 1 second, and we're back. Sorry for something I don't know. Now, let's transform him. Remove the thing. Remove this. It becomes a head later. You have to remove these pieces. These two things here. So you push it out. Whoops. Yeah. You pull this off. Then the back piece off. And he fell down. Great. Then you put this back on here. And remove the crest here. Bring this down. Flip it here. Then this will be important later. Remove the chest plate. Remove the feet. Remove the chest plate. Well, front skirt. And pull off the chest. Then flip this forward. Bring it on. Bring it here. Flip the neck head part thing. Flip it here. Then flip the connector here up. Then put this back on. Flip it down. Then put back the chest plate and put the crest on here. Straighten out this, pull this off, and then pull this off as well. Then pull the hands off. Then rip apart this thing. First stop, peg the leg here. Mom! Okay. Put the legs here. Then we got the legs. Peg on the hands on here. And make sure it won't pull apart. Make a fist. Oops. It was a blur. Peg this on here. And becomes an arm. Then peg the arm here. Here. Then peg on here, right here, this way. That makes it a backpack. Then peg the arms here. And then put the feet on. Put the feet on in these two. In this place. Then pick it on. Do the same thing on the other side. Where is it? Here we go. On the other side. And there it is. Now put on the head. Flip up the head. Then peg the backpack on. And just pull the camera back to make the head reveal or face reveal. Flip this down, then flip it up, and you got this mode, the ginormous mode, Reta-Maru's Mega Form. I just call that, whatever. And you can see some of the parts are new, well, old to be exact. You can see the silhouette and the shapes of Hellrainer's body. I really use that, and we create as an SD transforming Gundam thing, and has articulation. Shoulders are the same, ball joint head, ball joint here. Has elbows, leg articulation still same, knee now, and a big and limited ball joint. So yeah, this Gundam is a cool Gundam anyways. Please comment down below if you want more of these robot style reviews or just transforming robots in general. I can provide you that. And this is Super Blader signing off with a sneak attack.